Vijay, I don't know about that, but he should have also seen when he is so popular, it is his responsibility to see that it doesn't invite many people. How much the security can give, that much only he should allow. He should have asked for that. We are a delegation of 8 people. We have come from Delhi, from various places. They are all there. Our members from Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. We are all here to come and witness what happened actually on the 27th night. And it is such a horrible and a biggest stampede which has happened, which has never happened in the history of politics, I would say that. Because normally political rallies are done in a very proper way, and proper security is given, and then normal stages are put, and then the artist or whoever goes there, the leader, they talk there, and then people are sitting in a comfortable place. That the administration should have taken care of that, which they failed to do it. That's what I feel. And then also the people are also feeling very bad about it. That I went and saw the place where the stampede took place. It is very sad to see such a sight, because one after the other, one over the other, the people have fallen and died in the ditch, and then the electricity went off suddenly, and then somebody is throwing chappal and all. I mean, I heard all this thing. It is unheard, It's something very different kind of a thing. So, who is responsible for all this thing? We want to know. So that is why we all came for this delegation, and we came to the hospital here to see the injured people also, and then they are better. They are recovering better and better. But it is very sad to see that 41 people died. Out of that, about 17 women died, and then small children also. There are small kids who were crazy to see the actor, so they went to see him. And this is what has happened. So this whole responsibility is whose? The administration or the organizers? So we have to find out. We want to know that. Security has to be given. See, even I go for a rally, all this road show and all we go. When we go on a road show, even if it is an area in Mathura and all we go, it's very small roads are there. But on both the sides, people are standing, and then we keep waving and keep moving. And then the police is there at the back, and they don't let us stop the car at all. They keep moving. So there is no problem at all. Here, everything is stopped, and it is a narrow position. Absolutely, it's a bottleneck. And then 10,000 people you are expecting in that place. Not even 1,000 people can stand, and 10,000. And then they are saying 30,000. It is very sad to see such a thing. It should not happen. Vijay, I don't know about that, but he should have also seen when he is so popular, it is his responsibility to see that it doesn't invite many people. How much the security can give, that much only he should allow. He should have asked for that. And it seems he asked for a better place, but it was not given to him. They gave some other place, which is so narrow.